Today we are going to show you how to make a Metro French door. One of the first steps we do is checking our paperwork. Step 1, we are going to install our hardware, which entails our lock and our lock body. As we are screwing the lock body in, we are making sure that all our screws are firmly fitted and not too tight, as this may cause the door lock to jam. Once we have done this, we will test. We will now install our top rod and our bottom rod. These rods are a security feature that goes with a 4-point lock. We also have a little foam block that actually slides through the rod into the lock style. Once we have got all these components in, we will test the LCL rods, make sure they travel up and down freely. On the non-lead panel, there are 2 flush bolts that are to be fitted, one top and one bottom. This flush bolt rods keeps this non-lead panel closed. Following the flush bolts, once they have been fitted and tested, we will fit the door strike. The guide blocks are to be fitted top and bottom. These help keep the rod and the flush bolt rods in place. Allows the rod to go up and down and will not let the rod rattle as the door is closed. On the top rail, it's important that we seal the channel where the rubber goes down. This will help stop any water tracking down inside behind the. Once again, before we assemble the door frame, we will have a quick measure to make sure our cut size is correct. Put the door seal into the door frame. This must be started on the top corner where the hinges are located. We are now ready to hang our hinges onto the door and hang our door panels into the frame. Another little component we must remember is to put the little 10mm buttons into the holes. Bottom of our door we have a hinge packer spacer. This dictates the height of our door panels. Once this is put in, we are now ready to hang our door panels.